Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start with prerequisites. Make sure your modem is online and your ISP credentials are at hand. Once ready, power both devices off, then connect the modem Ethernet cable into the TP-Link WAN port and plug the router into power. Use a laptop wired to a LAN port for the most reliable first configuration. You do this because wired setup avoids wireless drops, and because some routers require a direct connection to detect WAN status and apply settings correctly. Once connected, open a browser and go to 192, 168, 0, 1 or tplinquify.net. Log in with the default admin credentials and change them immediately for security. Navigate to network or internet settings, select the proper WAN type, DHCP for most cable, PPPoE if your ISP gave a username, and enter those credentials. Then set Wi-Fi names and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password. Apply a simple LAN IP if you need a specific subnet. You finish by rebooting the modem first, then the TP-Link router. This order helps the router obtain a fresh IP. Verify the router's status page shows WAN connected and test with a phone or PC. Update firmware to fix bugs, and consider MAC clone if your ISP expects the modem's MAC address. If things go wrong, power cycle everything, confirm cables and port choices, and only then perform a factory reset. A single troubleshooting tip. Check WAN IP. No IP means ISP or cable issue, not local config.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.